ano natutunan mo dun sa almost 2 years natin na mag-partner?
I was having a dilemma. Why do it? Kasi baka wala namang makinig. There's a lot of times that I doubted myself na sinasabi ko, may isang tao lang magtiwala. I kept repeating that question in my mind. May isang tao lang magtiwala. It took some time para ma-shed off ko yung parang feeling of unworthiness and deservability. Parang hindi ko naman deserve to be out there, to be heard. But I stick to it long enough and hard enough. And look where we are right now.
Yeah.
Kung ikaw ay tao na parang feeling mo wala namang makikinig sa'yo, do you really have a message worthy of sharing? Why not?
Podcast na naman with Gerald at Brian. Aral lang pulutan sa inuman at kwentuhan. Pinagsamang veterano.
Galing.
Pero ikaw ba, Direk? Ano bang takeaway mo sa 4 seasons, basically the journey of Life Over Risky so far?
Well, ako ang takeaway ko talaga, siguro I need to remind myself all the time na consistency is the key. Siyempre, there are times we're just humans. Alam mo yun na hindi naman lagi 100% ka eh. There are days na 40% ka, 50%, 60%. So, parang if you put yourself out there, kahit 60% lang ang kaya mong ibigay, I'm sure meron kang aanihin doon sa mga tinanim mo. Kasi parang, minsan ako admittedly, even if mataas ang grit ko, dumarating din minsan yung parang
Sumuko
ka, napapagod ka, but then biglang may darating na good news. Alam mo yung gano'n? So,
parang di ka talaga, kumbaga, parang may mga blessings sa biglang dumarating. You're on the brink of giving up.
yes. And, ang natutunan ko aside dun sa consistency, ang isa pang natutunan ko talagang napakaganda ng mutual respect. Kasi pag may mutual respect ka sa partner mo, pareho kayong, yung iisa lang kayo ng goal eh. So kung magpapataasan kayo ng ihi or alam mo yon, hindi kayo magiging honest with each other, magkakaroon kayo ng vested interest, nothing's gonna happen. So ako for me, transparency, number 2. And siguro number 3, keep on dreaming. Lalo na ikaw, nanonood ngayon ng episode namin. Kung nafe-feel mo na hindi ka worthy, kung nafe-feel mo na yung boses mo hindi dapat nahiya kang marinig ng ibang tao, sa tingin ko it's about time na ilabas mo na yung sarili mo. Kasi kung hanggang ngayon, iniisip mo mag-content, hindi ka pa nagko-content, one way or another, malilipasan ka na ng panahon.